The case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has now reached a point of deep confusion, raising unsettling questions about the integrity of Nigeria's judicial system and the political motives behind his continued detention. Many Nigerians, both within and outside the country, are beginning to believe that this is no longer just a legal matter but a calculated political mission. The latest court ruling rejecting the no-case submission has further amplified suspicions of manipulation and bias. This is what is actually happening now in the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because everyone is just getting confused. All the Biafran supporters, many Nigerians from other regions gathered in Abuja today and witnessed a lot of things that raised some dust and some questions about legality of his judicial case. What is actually happening? Observers are taking and asking if terrorists and bandits can be granted amnesty. Why is Kanu still in detention without proper trial for medical care? Even court session ends in disappointment with more delays and rulings that appear to serve a hidden agenda. Very apparent. Very, very apparent. His supporters now see the judiciary as being under the control of powerful political forces, acting to silence him rather than provide justice. This is what is happening in this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. It's taking another dimension. Even him himself is getting weak. Many people are just getting weak over this very case. His families and legal team have reportedly raised alarm, yet nothing is being done to provide proper medical attention. What is actually happening? People are asking what is actually happening. Why is his own case different? Is he not a Nigerian? Why is he being treated with much bias? There's a growing belief that the Nigerian state is using this case to send a message rather than to uphold the rule of law, because the manipulation is no longer subtle. It is becoming openly visible, very apparent, with court rulings often contradicting earlier judgments or ignoring legal principles. You understand? His case has sparked international attention, but even global pressure seems to be hitting a brick wall. In the midst of his question, and in the midst of this his case, the question remains: what exile is Nigeria trying to achieve with this endless trial? Because this is what we call endless trial. Nobody understands what is actually going on. Is this about justice or vengeance, or is it about silencing an ideology they fear may grow stronger? If left unchecked, Kanu's case has become a symbol of how far a nation can go to suppress dissent. That is what is actually happening now. So citizens are growing tired, dailies tired and looking hopeless, seeing helplessness, especially when they see more violent offenders treated with leniency. The longer this drags, the more it fuels ethnic tension, political division, and distrust in government. For many, the lines between justice and prosecution has been blurred. It is no longer just a case. It is a test of Nigeria's soul, and sadly, many now fear the system may already have failed the rest and the test. This is what is actually happening in the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Over what actually happened today. The Federal High Court has dismissed no-case submission. Why are they dismissing no-case submission? Remember, this case has been ruled earlier and he has been set free. He has been set free, but now they have refused to honor that very court ruling. Why? So Kanu, in his terrorism trial, saying he has case to answer following evidence by prosecution and that he should enter his defense on charges against him. The court presided over by Justice James Omotosho also rejected requests by Kanu to be transferred from custody of the DSS to the National Hospital Abuja for medical examination over alleged deteriorating health issue. The courts subsequently ordered the President of Nigeria Bar Association (NMA) to constitute an investigation committee to examine Kanu's medical condition and submit a report to it in 8 days following objection by DSS to his request to be transferred to National Hospital for second opinion on his health condition. This is very, very sad. This is so sad. Is this a case of no return? Is it a journey of no return? That is what everyone is asking. And if you look deep into this case, that is what you will be seeing. Because it is actually a manipulative attempt. They know what exactly they are doing. Those judges, this court is under serious manipulation. They are under serious control. Everyone knows that they are not alone. They are seriously under control. And they can't do otherwise or beyond that very control, which is very, very sad. But we are following it up to see how this case goes. So if you have never subscribed, kindly subscribe to this very channel for more updates on this and many more. Thank you so much and do have a lovely day ahead.